Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Evolution Step 1. Today, we're continuing our journey through the world of pronouns. In our last lesson, we covered subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive adjectives, reflexive pronouns, and possessive pronouns. Today, we'll explore some example that will help you become even more confident in your English skills. Let's get started. Don't miss the exercises at the end. Subject pronouns examples. I enjoy reading books. We went to the park. You are very kind. They are studying. He plays football. She sings beautifully. It is raining. Object pronouns examples. The dog followed me home. They invited us to the party. I will call you later. We met them at the mall. She gave him a gift. He saw her at the store. The teacher praised it. Possessive adjectives examples. My car is red. Our house is big. This is your phone. Their garden is beautiful. His house is big. Her cat is cute. The dog wagged its tail. Possessive pronouns examples. This pen is mine. The house is ours. That book is yours. The car is theirs. The jacket is his. The scarf is hers. The toy is its. Reflexive pronouns examples. I made the dress myself. We organized the event ourselves. Did you write the essay yourself? They enjoyed themselves at the party. He cut himself while shaving. She taught herself to play the piano. The robot fixed itself. Now that we've learned about personal pronouns, it's time to practice. These exercises will help you understand how to use personal pronouns correctly in sentences. Let's get started and see how well you can apply what you've learned. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the correct pronoun. Exercise 2. Multiple choice. Choose the correct pronoun for each sentence. Exercise 3. Sentence creation. Create sentences using the following pronouns. Exercise 4. Matching. Match the pronouns to their correct type. Exercise 5. Sentence correction. Correct the pronouns in the following sentences. Exercise 6. Pronoun identification. Identify the pronouns in the following sentences and state their type. Congratulations on completing the lesson on personal pronouns. Understanding and using personal pronouns correctly is an important step in mastering English. Personal pronouns help us avoid repetition and make our sentences clearer and more concise. Keep practicing what you've learned today, and soon you'll be using personal pronouns with confidence. Great job, and keep up the good work. Don't forget to like and subscribe to English Evolution Step 1 for more practical English lessons.